garage.
No, don't let this jack wagon in here. Oh my gosh, people, come on. Nope.
No. He's gonna run into here. Wow. Just let him in.
No, I'm not going to.
Oh my gosh,
Medical microphone is present here, but his benevolence has decided to grant us this, and it essentially works like a kind of racket to give these little.
Oh my God.
It drops Tuesday. It drops Tuesday. The book.
Do I need to be worried?
No, he's fine. It's all good. He caught me. Caught me.
Well, he's fine.
Of course you had a beer.
I'm just not going to move from here. Obviously, what?
What the? So, on 22nd of July 2000, back to the village. Well, so if they're able to analyze and go, how do we get around that? This can really change education.
Oh, no.
Benefit of all.
Download the DASHCAM free today on the App Store or...
Owned by the HOA, what happened was that the developers of the land still had ownership.
Oh!
no, is this a police chase? It's a police chase, David. It's a police chase.
Oh, yeah, it's full. Hey, this is the one. Oh no, this is big. Look
They
at
got a truck.
They got the truck.
Oh, they got him.
That backs him up.
They.
Bro, are you dumb, stupid, or slow? What the? I'm happy.
Oh my God, again? Okay.
Oh shit. Oh my god, his wheel just flew off. Look.
He hits a bump there where they're repaving the road, and the ball pops off, so the trailer goes down. Luckily, he had his chains, and the guy in the Infinity, the black Infinity ahead of me, moved off to the right because he saw the sparks from underneath the trailer, from that cement mixer that started dragging. So luckily, in a few seconds, he gets back over to the left and tells the guy, hey, it's dragging. So he decides to get off the road, and he hits the high curb there, and it starts losing control. I thought, oh man, this guy's going to go into traffic accidentally. But luckily, he straightened it out. Just a reminder to stay safe out there, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Oh my God.
Hey! I'm happy.
Holy. What? Hold up. Oh my God.
Jesus!
Now I'm keeping moving. They're going after him.
Yeah,
They're going after him! Go get him!
go get him. Yes.
Hey, Carmen.
What?
Glad you moved.
Yep, that's why I moved.
Oh boy.
out of the back. So just so we can put that picture for us.
Mom, he's on my head. Oh my goodness.
Are you guys all right? No! Holy crap, that was close! Holy... Oh, at least 15. I can tell you when that whole, like, stay up all night on the phone thing was, and it was after I had the phone for a couple years at that point. No, I'm being very... You gotta step on the phone recording?
Oh, now you put a turn signal, you fucking asshole.
Stay up all night on the phone.
This guy's coming right at us.
Yes, he is.
This guy. Drive around! Me? I caught that. Yes!
Bro? Whoa! So, on 22nd of July 2000, back to the village.
Well, so if they're able to analyze and go, how do we get around that? This can really change education.
Oh, no.
Benefit of all.
The road looks open, the gap feels wide enough, speed seems manageable. The driver believes there is time to pass, time to react, time to adjust, but perception is not reality. Distance closes faster than expected, speed increases. Without being noticed, the margin for error disappears. Vehicle ahead slows slightly, it feels insignificant, is not tree action. Comes a moment late, brakes are pressed with confidence, but confidence does not change physics. continues forward, space is already gone. Impact feels sudden even, though the risk was building quietly after the collision. Silence fills the road driver's sit, still trying to understand how something so small became so footage exposes this common mistake. Our poor judges of speed, especially at higher velocities, familiar roads create false comfort. Routine makes danger harder to see. This accident was not caused by aggression or distraction or intent, was caused by road safety requires more space than feels necessary, reducing speed earlier than feels urgent because safety lives in margins and accidents begin when those margins disappear. Down increased distance and never assume the road will forgive a small mistake.
From the left. And then...
Now we go.
That's her, and that's someone who works with me.
You alright? Yeah, I saw her drift and I got it on dash cam.
Huh?
I saw her drift into your lane and I got it on dash cam.
I'm calling, don't worry.
Yeah, we call